About tomorrow, it's gonna be. I mean, it's always to play Rafa here on this court is always the ultimate challenge. One of the toughest challenges sports in general give, and I played a really good match against him in Barcelona. It was 6 weeks ago, so of course I try to do similar, even though it's even way tougher to play him here. But I try to to keep all the positive emotions I'm having right now. I'm having from this amazing match today. I think it's really important that I go into the match with the belief to win. That's the most important thing. And also, I mean, of course, it's a big dream for me to win that match tomorrow, to win this title. But I also have in my head that if it's not happening tomorrow, which can happen easy because of that opponent which is on the other side of the net, so I think I don't make myself too much pressure.